In this video, we will learn action verbs and create sentences. Sit down. Sit down on the chair, please. Stand up. Stand up when the teacher enters the room. Turn off. Turn off the lights before you go to bed. Turn on. Turn on the TV to watch cartoons. Sleep. Go to sleep early tonight. Dream. I had a dream about flying in the sky. Wake up. Wake up early to see the sunrise. Get up. Get up from bed and brush your teeth. Crawl. The baby can crawl on the floor. Cry. Don't cry, everything will be okay. Exercise. Exercise helps keep your body healthy. Squat. Can you squat down like a frog? Catch. Catch the ball when I throw it to you. Run. Let's run to the playground. Walk. We will walk to the park today. Add. Add some more colors to your drawing. Cook. We will cook some delicious cookies. Close. Close the door softly, please. Open. Open your book to page 10. Read. Read a story before going to bed. Write. Write your name on this paper. Draw. Draw a picture of your favorite animal. Drink. Drink a glass of water every day. Eat. Eat your vegetables to grow strong. Drive. My dad will drive us to school. Ride. I love to ride my bike around the block. Dive. Dive into the pool and make a splash. Swim. Let's swim in the pool this afternoon. Hug. Hug your friend. Love. I love to play with my dog. Sing. Sing your favorite song loudly. Hit. Hit the ball with a bat. Throw. Throw the ball to your friend. Break. Be careful not to break the toy. Cut. Use scissors to cut the paper. Dance. Dance to the music with your friends. Kiss. Give your mom a good night kiss. Brush. Brush your teeth before school. Comb. Comb your hair neatly. Skip. Skip down the ad. Slide. Slide down the slide at the playground. Climb. Climb up the ladder carefully. Ski. We will ski down the snowy hill. Wear. Wear your jacket. It's cold outside. Whistle. Whistle a happy tune. Play. Play with your toys nicely. Watch. Watch TV with your family. Shout. Don't shout inside the house. Wave. Wave goodbye to your friend. Talk. Talk to your teacher if you have a question. down to pick up the pencil. Cough. Cover your mouth when you cough. Lift. Lift the box carefully. Sneeze. Bless you when you sneeze. Yawn. It's time to sleep when you start to yawn. Wash. Wash your hands before eating. Water. Water the plants in the garden. Answer. Answer the question if you know it. Think. Think about what you want to draw. Listen. Listen to the teacher carefully. Meal. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Look. Look both ways before crossing the street. Fly. Birds fly high in the sky. Fry. We will fry some eggs for breakfast. Wait. Wait for your turn to speak. Win. We will try our best to win the game. Celebrate. We will celebrate your birthday tomorrow. Jump. Jump up high like a kangaroo. Pray. Our mother prays for us. Study. Study hard to learn new things. Layer. Put a layer of cheese on the pizza. Mix. Mix the flour and water together. Bath. It's time for a warm bath. Clap. Clap your hands to the music. Slip. Be careful not to slip on the wet floor. Sweep. Sweep the floor to keep it clean. Shake hands. Shake hands with your new friend. Whisper. Whisper in your friend's ear. Peel. Peel the banana before you eat it. Poop. Clean up after your pet when it poops. Give. Give your friend a gift. Thanks for watching this video, dear friend. I am very happy to see you on my channel. Thank you for watching, liking, and commenting. Please subscribe and support me.